Any mention for unlisted matter? Any mention for unlisted matter? From the main list, item number 1.
May it please, Your Lordship. My Lordship, transfer petition has been withdrawn from the Honorable Supreme Court on 21st September, my Lord. And,
what is the appeal against?
this is appeal against the order of learned single judge, whereby learned single judge
Yes.
has upheld the collection of customary toll on mineral-laden trucks, my Lord, by CM Sirdarship, my Lord.
This is relying on Justice Amitabh's judgment.
Yes, Lord. That is the issue. And my case is that the order which was passed by Deputy Commissioner to dismantle the check gates was based on the order passed by, subsequent order passed by this Honorable Court, Justice Maheshwari's order, and which was upheld up to Honorable Supreme Court, which was specific to the MMDR Act.
The appeal will have to be heard.
Yes, Lord. This has to be heard.
After me. Probably not enough time before that. It is submitted on behalf of the applicant that the transfer petition filed before the Supreme Court has been withdrawn.
Yes, Lord.
Since a bench is now available to take up the appeal, to take up the proposed appeal in this court. Paragraph. In view of the good ground shown, the delay, how long was the delay?
25 days delay.
The delay of about 25 days in preparing the appeal is condoned and the appeal is taken on board. Paragraph. You appear for the respondents?
For the respondents.
Paragraph. Since the respondents have appealed, the appeal is directed to be listed 3 weeks hence for hearing.
Yes, Lord. In the meantime, may I seek to file the additional documents, my Lord, because the writ petition which was to be filed along with writ appeal has inadvertently wrong writ petition has been
Very
filed.
well. Leave is given to the appellants to file additional documents comprising material that was before the single bench.
And the judgments compilation is also there, so I can file entire.
Full stop. A compilation of judgments is also proposed to be filed. Full stop. Copies of both the additional documents and the compilation of judgments should be made over to the respondents. Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged, sir.
Item number 2.
Please, Your Lordship. So we have taken steps and we will file an affidavit of service, my Lord. But,
Mr. Modika, that matter you're running away.
my Lord, I was traveling that day, my Lord. Tomorrow I'll do it. It is fixed tomorrow.
We'll finish it off, whatever. Let us make our mistake. Let the Supreme Court say that, when the
No, it's not there, my Lord.
when the seized is so much, then the law does not have to be followed. We'll be very happy.
My Lord, actually that day there's some problem, my Lord. Personal problem.
Since service has not yet been completed, let the matter appear a further fortnight hence.
My Lord, we have filed the affidavit of service, my Lord. It has been duly served, my Lord.
Oh, sorry. It appears from the affidavit of service that
Case 5, my Lord. Let's just see.
affidavit of service verified today that how many respondents are there?
2 respondents, my Lord.
Huh?
Two, my Lord.
That both the respondents have been served, full stop, however, neither respondent is represented, paragraph, the appellant will inform the respondents that the matter will appear a fortnight hence and may be proceeded with even in the respondent's absence. What is the issue?
But this is pertaining to appointment in Nigrims, my lord. My lord, here what happened, my lord? Initially, the advertisement was for 4 posts, my lord. He was at serial number 5, my lord. By a corrigendum, posts were increased to 6, my lord. Subsequently, the decision was taken that no, the post will remain as originally advertised as 4 posts only, my lord. And he was at serial number 5, my lord. In the meantime, what happened, my lord? The serial number, one of the 4 appointees, my lord, resigned. A vacancy arose, the learned singles are directed to appoint him in that post, my lord. Our case is vacancy arising out of resignation, my lord, cannot be filled up from the same select list, my lord.
Who says? Who says so?
My lord, that,
Who says so? Generally, you are supposed to ensure that there are no additional costs are incurred, you are supposed to keep a wait list. That wait list generally is kept valid for a period of 12 or 18 months,
my lord.
whatever. And any casual vacancy arising in the middle will be that. And how long did that person work before he resigned? It was a new appointee who resigned.
Yes, my lord.
Then
He resigned after 1 year, my lord.
after 1 year,
My lord. Almost 1 year. And our case is that if somebody does not join, my lord, then the waitlisted candidates can be appointed from that same list, my lord.
no, any casual vacancy arising.
My lord,
Otherwise, you don't repeat the exercise.
but in fact, I placed one very recent decision, and in fact, there was a decision just day before yesterday also, my lord, that vacancy arising from resignation, my lord, cannot be filled up. That has to be treated as a fresh vacancy, my lord.
Maybe it is to be treated as a fresh vacancy, but when you keep a waitlisted candidate, when you keep a waitlist,
Right.
that waitlist will apply to any casual vacancy.
My lord,
There are judgments. That's the only purpose of this exercise is that you don't waste time, you don't waste money going through the entire exercise. Because sometimes when you have these exercises, they cost a lot of money. And you get thousands of applications. And you have to go through a very extensive process.
that's true, my lord, but the judgments I placed, in fact, day before yesterday also, I came across one decision says that
No.
vacancy arising from out of resignation cannot be filled up, my lord. If somebody does not join, then waitlisted candidate has a right, my lord.
But within the waiting list, waiting period, say you've kept a waiting list for 6 months or 8 months or 10 months, whatever it is.
1 year.
Usually it should be kept for about more than a year.
My lord.
If any vacancy arises during this period, it's filled up. Even in the judiciary we do this. Even in the judiciary we do this.
I'll place those 2 decisions, my lord.
Any vacancy, it cannot say. I don't think there will be any judgment which says they may be on special conditions of the wait list or whatever it is, but there cannot be any judgment which says that the vacancies arising in the interregnum cannot. Just check it because it's a point of law.
My lord. But in fact, there are 2. I'll place those decisions.
Those two may be an aberration.
My lord, that was exactly my feeling of it. When I
An
went,
aberration.
My lord.
You know, the general law may be, because now there are, 17 benches of the Supreme Court. So 1 or 2 discordant notes are there, but that doesn't mean that becomes the law.
it is precisely on that law point only.
Very well. It'll come up after a fortnight.
Deeply. Sorry for Friday, my lord. I was traveling, my lord. In fact, at home they were waiting, my lord. I was getting it.
In Rome?
At home, my lord.
In Rome?
At home, my lord.
Oh.
Deeply.